broke out. You go out every night. It always ends up just like a prize fight. And you know, you stay out to the daylight. You're always giving me a real big fright. Yeah, you go out every night. It always ends up just like a prize fight. And you know, you stay out to the daylight. You're always giving me a real big fright. Yeah.
Alright, great job today, guys. Alright, I'm going to break it right here. I'm going to say I am. You're going to say Spartan. I am Spartan.
Spartan.
We're going to go 3 times. Let's get right in right here. Get it tight. Come on. Tighter.
Okay, that's enough. I can't breathe.
Not tight enough. Come on. Claustrophobic. Okay. I am Spartan! I am Spartan!